In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix Fortnite's unable to log into Fortnite server on PC. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Then ensure internet connection is stable and working properly, as a poor connection can cause login issues. Next, try reinstalling the Epic Games Launcher. Close it completely, then reopen it to see if that resolves the issues. If the problem persists, go to Start menu, search for Command Prompt and run it as an administrator. At the Command Prompt windows, type ipconfigure or flush DNS and press enter to clear your DNS cache. After that, restart your PC. You should also check for server issues. Visit the Epic Games status page or Fortnite's official Twitter to see if there are any ongoing server outages or maintenance that might be causing the issue. Finally, if you're still unable to log in, try reinstalling the Epic Games Launchers. Uninstall it from your PC, restart your system, and then reinstall it from the Epic Games website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.